name is Margaret William. Today I'm going to talk about office. What is office? Office is a place or building where administrative or professional work is done. There is importance of office. Management and control, customer service, work coordination, recording keeping, and communication skills. Also, there is function of office, receiving and sending information, keeping and recording, planning and organizing work, supervising employee, and providing service to customers. Also, there is the objective of an office, to facilitate communication, maintain record, to support management decision making, to provide service, increase efficiency, and to coordinate activities. Also, there is quality or characteristic office work, honesty, discipline, good working, good communication skills. Advantages: there is less distribution, promote teamwork. There is disadvantages: high cost work. It is limited flexibility to employees. Also, I'm going to talk about organization structure. Organization structure is the form of arrangement of job authority, responsibilities, and communication within an institution or company. Objective of organization structure: to define work efficiency, to simplify communication, to increase accountability, to avoid conflict of duty, to improve employee supervision. Importance of organization structure: it increases discipline at work, it reduces confusion of duty, it helps quick decision making, it improves leadership, it helps more performance of work. Types of organization structure: line structure, example director. Advantages of line structure: easy to understand, clear responsibility, quick decision making. There is disadvantage: lack of enough proficient leader can cause matter. Function structure: work is divided according principle of good organization structure. Unity of command: one employee should have one boss. Division of work, span of control, delegation, coordination, flexibility, environment. Focus in location, specific area, focus in building. Factor that affect office location to consider for office location. Proximity of related trade, proximity for the other department, near of service, facility transport, accessibility to factory where the availability of labor. Use of computer in your office, reason for computer in your office. Better, material decision making, efficiency in business operation, gaining competition, advantage, solve business problem. Reason of computer in your office: one, better manage decision making, efficiency in business operation, gain competition advantage, solve business problem, globalization of business, office automation, and electronic commerce. Also, there is common application of computer in business: communication, processing application, data storage, cloud storage, and Google Drive. Factor for Also, there is factor for selecting office building: staff and record service, security, work condition, adaptability to purpose layout, electricity and water should allow future expansion, must accommodate people with disability. Also, there is general factor to consider: office, location of department, spare required for staff and equipment. It allows flow of work, space purposeful. Also, there is personal management: the people that manage people in the office, it human resource. There is function of human resource management, training and development, compensation and benefit, employee and being, performance management.